Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Today I'm going to reshoot one of my older videos because of a comment left behind from a viewer, and that was they couldn't hear me. So I played the video back and you can't hear me. It's not that the music was too loud because I had that problem on some of my older videos. I'll be reshooting those soon. It was just crappy audio. So we're gonna go ahead and reshoot this with a little better audio and a slightly different version on the recipe. This recipe comes from liquor.com. And this is not the exact recipe. This is a little bit of a spin on it to keep it low carb. But before we get started, if you'd like to learn to make cocktails low carb and keto friendly, click the little subscribe button and the bell icon and you'll be notified every time I put a new video out. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're gonna need in a lemon drop is lemon juice. Now, I could go ahead and use fresh lemon juice. It's 1 ounce, and that's gonna give me 2 grams of carbs for the fresh lemon juice. But we're gonna go ahead and make this a 0 carb cocktail. So to do that, we're gonna be using concentrated. Real lemon, there's a bunch of different brands out there for as far as what tastes best. Real lemon or real lime tastes more like the fresh lime juice. I say more like, doesn't taste like fresh lime juice or fresh lemon juice. It's the closest I've found. So in here, we're gonna do 1 ounce of real lemon. Next will be our monk fruit simple syrup. You can catch that video out right here and see how I have a 0 carb simple syrup. So we'll do 1 ounce of our simple syrup. And next we're going to be putting our vodka. Now for vodka, we're using JT Mellick. I know you see me do a lot with them. So we're going to go ahead and do 2 ounces of JT Mellick vodka. Now what I like about the JT Mellick, it has a little bit of sweet body to it, and I think that adds to the lemon drop. And it's because it's not over distilled, it's not over filtered. So I think that's what really brings this vodka to the level that it's at, why I enjoy it so much. The next thing that we're gonna do, which is a little different from my last video, is on liquor.com, a couple other websites, I saw that they had triple sec. Now, I'm not a low carb triple sec. We enjoyed some margaritas over the weekend. So what we're gonna do is we're going to do 1/8 of a teaspoon of orange extract. So, because the recipe calls for a 1/2 ounce of triple sec, so we're just gonna do, 1/2 of a 1/4 teaspoon, just to get a little pop of orange in there. And that's that. Put a little ice in our shaker. Put this together. Give it a good shake. All right, that should be good. 10, 15 seconds. Nothing crazy long. If you're gonna call this a lemon drop martini, you're gonna need a chilled martini glass. And if you don't have a little mini fridge for your home bar, I really highly suggest you get one. All right, so now we're gonna strain this. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and double strain this to make sure that all the ice chips come out. Because as you shake, you will get some broken ice chips. And for a garnish, we're gonna do a lemon twist. Now, channel knife is the easiest way to do this. I've done this without a channel knife, and it's not really super easy. Just one twist around. Now, on your bar spoon, just go ahead and wrap this around. So you get it nice and tight. Just give it give it a little squeeze. Make sure it's tight as you can, because you're gonna be expressing some of that oils as you squeeze this, and as you make this tighter, some of the oils on that skin's gonna come out. So there we go. And there is your lemon drop martini.